Washing machines. One of the common questions we get asked, or it's reported to reception, is that the washing machine will not work, or it goes on and off. The washing machines are located generally within side cupboards. It's a little laundry room. It will look something very similar to this. Now, what we find is that guests will try to turn things on and nothing works. So you can see here, no power. Now, there is a sign here, but as you can see, the sign really doesn't explain to guests, specifically when guests are from overseas, what you're supposed to do. Well, what it's actually telling you is turn it on. This switch here turns the fan on that is up here. That fan must be on because when the tumble dryer is running, it will ventilate hot air from here and it will fill the room up, and we have a sprinkler up there which is rated to cope with the higher temperatures. So now that switch is on, you will get power. As you can see, it works. Now, sometimes on the washing machines you will get what we call an ER fault. The ER fault is telling you that it cannot drain water, and sometimes you will see water is inside there. What we find is the waste pipe, this pipe here, this pipe that goes down behind the machine gets curled up and it sits low. So what you have to do is you have to lift the pipe up like this, kind of like this. It's a little bit of a struggle. Sometimes you pull the machine out and we just make sure it's not laying on the ground, and so the water can freely pump up the side of the machine and out the drain. So it's a little bit awkward. So, and then you reset the machine and it should work. The tumble dryers are really simple. You just literally dial in the time that you need and you press go. We do get a lot of people, well, a lot of them, they break this little catch here. We do believe that it's breaking because of this reason. So the door is doing this. So they shut the door and it slams and breaks them. We do carry stock. They take a few minutes to replace, so no big one there. Something that housekeeping must ensure that they're doing is cleaning these filters, which I'm sure they're aware, and need to be making sure that these vents are cleaned. It's very important that these are cleaned, and also this vent at the top must be cleaned. Underneath the sink you have the isolation valves there, so very simple on and off, and the waste pipe is connected there. So very simple, but very important that everybody is aware of this switch. If this switch isn't on, it will not provide power to these outlets and it will not work. We're constantly called by reception to come and turn machines on because guests are not aware, and it's really very, very simple. Hope this helps.